Don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. Before we start, let's take one brief moment, just one quick moment to appreciate this packaging. Baby. Baby. Y'all packaging is top tier. It comes with a bag. Okay? Cute little bag. I'm going to use it. Don't ask me what for. The box is just as fire as the bag. I'm a pink girly. The box. Let's open her up. Two headbands. Nails. Head. What's this called? Whatever it is called. The hair. There's more. Now, I don't know who wearing these big ass lashes, but I do appreciate y'all sending it. Lashes. Hands down, the best packaging I have received yet. Let's get into the hair. I am installing a 24-inch kinky curly. If that's wrong, I'm going to put the correct name on the screen. Something curly. It's curly. I don't, it's not giving kinky curly, but it is giving something curly. I don't know. Now, being that she's a V-part, I don't want to leave any hair out because my hair is not going to blend with this. So, my goal is to do this without any leave out. Edges, maybe. Leave out, no, because two different colors, two different textures. I'm not even about to try to play myself like that. So, I'm going to prep my hair. I'm going to give myself 2 braids right here so it has something to clip onto. And I'm probably going to put the rest in the ponytail because honestly, it really just needs to hold on with these and this. And I don't need a hair full of braids for that. So I'm going to prep my hair and then I'll be back once I do that. So this is what I got so far. I'm running low on the edge control that I normally use. So I'm going to use the Collider to slick my hair down. But I'm still going to braid this. So I'm going to braid this and slick the rest down. This is what I'm using. I'm going to saturate my hair with mousse first. And then I'm going to put the edge control on and slick that down. Like so. It's going to take a little bit longer to dry, but that's perfectly fine. Because sometimes combing edge control through your hair can be a little rough on the hair. Give me a second, I need to go see who sang the song. Okay, so this is what I got so far. This is going to be 2 braids. I have slicked the rest. And I'm going to put a little braid back here just so the wig has something to clip onto. Even though it has drawstring in the back, I still want to make sure that it don't fall off my head. So I'm going to put another little cornrow across here and 2 braids down the middle with my middle part. As you can see, I left a little edges out. And trust the process. Trust the process. Trust the process. I'll be back once that's done. Okay, so this is the U Nice curly. It doesn't say like what curl pattern. I'm gonna have the link down below. Ain't she cute? She real cute. Okay, so here we go. Y'all seen that girl that left that little band on here? She did a hair tutorial and she left that band on there. Girl, you're supposed to cut that. Stop playing. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. Boom. Boom. We in the game, coach. We in the game. Okay, so bitch, I'm having a hot flash. It's hot. I'm having a hot flash, and these motherfucking things not wanting to clamp. Don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. Okay, so stop trying to stick them underneath the braid, Robin. Stick them in front of that bitch. Ooh. It's giving invisible part, and I don't like that. Because I'm not trying to do no invisible part. I'm not leaving hair out. What's in my eye? So, unclip that. We gotta get this middle part right. feel better. That looks better. It took me way too long. Woo! To clip that bitch in there. And why is this one right and this one's not? I need it to be close to the part. I need it to be close to the part. Like that. Whew, okay. And I know this one ain't gonna be clipped. I ain't even gonna try it. Okay. Push down this way. So, I'm not leaving hair out. I don't want it to look like an invisible part. So let's... Give me a second. She's cute. She's going to be cut. I'm going to tell you that right now. She's too even for my liking. Okay? But in the meantime, in between time, we're going to take this and we're going to tease her. Maybe with a smaller tooth comb, because that did nothing. Back on, back on, back on. Right? Something about right here is not working for me. I don't know what it is yet. Let's frame her to my face a bit, because right now she's giving. Do I want to go high? Do I want to go low? Do I want to go high? Do I want to go low? Start with the chin. I can't be scared to cut the wigs, the hair, the curly hair, because you not cutting it makes it look like a wig. You give it a little style, it kind of takes the wigginess away. Now, I'm not going to cut the whole 24 because it defeats the purpose of getting 24 inches if I'm just going to cut the whole thing up, which I will, but not today. See that? I'm just going to cut just a bit. Just a bit. String. Let me find that drawstring. I'm going to pull it. Not too tight, guys. I'm going to do that on camera. Just water. You want to go in with your Nairobi. I'm gonna fix the matter. Don't worry about that. Right now, the curls. Just look at the curls. I said I wasn't gonna finger coil it, but it just, I don't like scraggly ends. Scraggly ends just give me. It just looks so much better. Cause look at this. Look how this looks, and then look how this looks. It just looks so much better. Okay, so sometimes we gotta do what we need to do to get the job done. And for me, this little clip in the back is like way back here, which is not helping this middle part lay flat. So what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'm gonna cut this little piece that's sticking up right there, because why is that right there? Let me cut that off. That shouldn't even be in the wig, on the wig, near the wig. I'm gonna grab a bob pin, and I'm going to help this do what it's not doing, which is lay flat to her. Now it could be how I got my little braids in there, don't really know, but I'm gonna stick a bobby pin right there, right? And I'm also going to stick one up here. Let me adjust this. I'm going to stick one right here, because it's two clips on this front piece right here. It's one here, and then there's one here. So I have to figure out how to get that a little closer to my liking. Okay, maybe I don't need another one like that. I don't know. It's about to piss me off. And I'm going to bring the hair a little forward, so it's not giving so much of invisible part. And I'm gonna let it actually. I'm gonna frame my face some more because this is even Michael Jackson. I'm going to let it dry some, and then I'll come back once it's dried some so I can fill up her because she's giving me a polo right now. And I don't like that. I'm gonna do my edges and then let her dry, and then I'll come back. So she's semi-dry, and I'm going to attempt to tease this a little bit more. I don't really know how to tease, but right, just a little bit. Okay. Okay, so that did a little something, but I'm also going to go in with a little black spray and see if I can close it just a little bit. Shit, just a little bit more, because I like how they look a lot better. Even though it went in my eye, I like how that looks a little bit better. And just like that. Now, that's optional. That's what I chose to do. You don't have to do that. But I like how that looks. And hold on. Alright, this is what she looks like hanging. Now remember, I told y'all she has a drawstring in the back, which I'm about to 100% utilize. That's the point of having a drawstring in the back if you're not going to use her. We're about to use her. Okay, so I'm going to pull out this front section here and this front section here, and we are going to do you can definitely do a high half up, half down type situation, because it will allow you to do that. So if you wanted to do a half up, half down, you could. It's definitely doable. I did it 1 second. Okay. So we're going to test out half up, half down first. If you wanted to, you could, right? You could. So I'm going to, one second, I'm going to take the hair. I want to pin it up. Hopefully I'm in frame. She has a drawstring back here. So I'm going to pull her, tighten up, and tuck the string. Okay? She should be securely tucked. I'm going to take the pins out, and this little ponytail, that's another buffer, okay? And I'm going to show y'all that you can now pull her up. See that? Let me get the ponytail in, and then I did arms today. Okay. Whew. Okay, I also had to go in and redo my ponytail because it was just not giving what I needed it to give. So this is what the final look came out to be. I am not mad at it at all. The curls are pretty. They're soft. I love the drawstring in the back because I love a high pony. You can't go wrong with the drawstring in the back. Okay? The razzle dazzle. Oh, baby, she's cute. She's real cute. I like her.